Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about the process of fertilization where the sperm fuses with the ovum or egg to form zygote. Now the fertilized egg or zygote starts to move down the fallopian tube or oviduct. As it is moving down the fallopian tube, it continuously undergoes cell division and forms a hollow ball of cells called embryo. So when it comes into the uterus, descending from the oviduct, it forms a hollow ball of hundreds of cells and known as embryo. Now this embryo gets embedded in the wall of the uterus. Now this wall of uterus is known as endometrium and is soft, spongy and thick lining. It has muscles, glands and a large number of blood capillaries. So the embedding of embryo in the thick lining of the uterus is called implantation. Here students, you can see an embryo implanted in the soft and thick lining of uterus called endometrium. Actually, before the release of ovum, the inner wall of the uterus called endometrium becomes thick and spongy and full of blood vessels so that it can receive the fertilized ovum or egg and to provide suitable environment for the development of the embryo and also to supply with food and oxygen. Implantation of the embryo leads to the pregnancy in the female. Students, implantation of embryo in the uterine wall occurs on the 7th day after fertilization and is controlled by estrogen and progesterone hormones secreted in the ovaries.